कोयर व्यवस्थापन, MRF सुविधा आणि CCTV बसोवपाचें काम बऱ्याच काळासावन प्रलंबीत आशिल्ल्या प्रस्नांचेर उपाय काडपा खातीर नावेलीचे थळावे कार्यकर्ते आणि पंचायत अधिकाऱ्यांनी अतिरिक्त जिल्लोधिकारी रमेश गांवकर हांची भेट घेतली. 15 दिसां भितर नव्या MRF शेडी खातीर सुवात निश्चित करतले, जाल्यार ओलो आनी सुको कोयर एकठांय करपा खातीर अंदाजपत्रक तयार करतले. म्हत्वाच्या सुवातांचेर CCTV बसयतले म्हूण आश्वासन पंचायतीन दिलां. तशेंच प्रगतीचो नियाळ घेवपा खातीर म्हयन्या उपरांत फॉलोअप बसका जातली. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Yes, we had an appointment with the collector actually today, but since she was not there, we met the additional collector Ramesh Gaonkar, wherein we discussed about the garbage issue. We are from the Navelim Panchayat and we came here to discuss on the garbage. आणि आयज आमकां तेणें क्लियरली सांगिलां एडिशनल कलेक्टरान की BDO एस्टिमेट प्रिपेर करतलो वेट आनी ड्राय गार्बेजीक आनी तो पंचायतात धाडटलो विदीन नेक्स्ट 15 days. आनी तेज उपरांत आमगे पंचायत फ्रेश टेंडर्स फ्लोट करतले आनी एम्पॅनलमेंट लिस्टांतले Class 1 contractor appoint करतले.
I had placed the proposal in the month of October in the year 2024 regarding installation of CCTV cameras at the Navelim Panchayat. But it's been almost a year and a half and the Panchayat has failed to install cameras, and the answer every time he gave was I have asked for quotations, and he has been using public funds for the same by actually asking for quotations 2-3 times on the newspaper. So we decided we'd meet the collector and speak about this since the High Court order is already out. But despite the High Court order being out, our Sarpanch is still not ready to install cameras. So today he has been directed by the additional collector to install cameras and to follow it. So the secretary has said that we should be doing it after this body meeting that will be held this month. So we are hoping at least the CCTV cameras are installed at our panchayat to maintain transparency in everything that's going on in and about in our panchayat.